Okay, then we got this problem here. The sine rule is appropriate here, a over sine a. Let's just write it down and see if we can use it. Try this first for triangles that aren't right angled triangles. We need 3 of any 4, don't we? So we've got a and b. Tick off what we've got, and we've got angle b. So we can use this one here, can't we, to work out the angle a. And that's what we're asked to find. So a is 5 over sine a equals b, 4 over sine b, sine of 40. So let's move things around in one fell swoop. Move this up to b sine a. Leave the 5 on the other side as is, and move the 4 underneath. And then move this from underneath up to be with the 5. So we've moved everything from divide to times or times to divide. So that tells us what a is then, doesn't it? Shift sign on that. Okay, 5 over 4 sine 40, shift sign. 5 times sine 40 in degrees mode. And then divide that by 4 equals that. Shift sign ants equals 53.46. 53.46 degrees. Now there's only one slight problem here, and that is when you do shift sign, we're working out the angle A, you get that from your calculator. But if you remember, the case with sine is that it's positive here and here, and this is from 0 to 180. So along with A being that, which is the solution here, there's also the other solution, isn't there? Which will be 180 minus the 53. Remember, this is the associated acute angle in here, isn't it? For the sine. So also, A would equal 180 minus 53.46. Let's have a look at that then. 180 minus this, 180 minus and equals 126.54. And that also is an angle A, because it's less than 180, it can be a triangle, can't it? So it gives rise to the 2 possible solutions. So let's have a look at a quick picture then to see these illustrated. I'll try and draw it as best I can. Down here. So this would be the first one, say up here. Something like that. Let's put the information in. So this would be A, B and C. This angle here was the 53, wasn't it? 0.46. This opposite side A was 5. This side B is 4. Okay, and this is the side C. Now the other possibility that can happen, which I'll try and draw down over here, is that the angle A is 126, which must look something like, probably like this. There's angle A again, and perhaps like that. So this would be 4. Badly drawn, I know. It's not drawn to scale. A is 5, so it flips over the other side this time now. Instead of being there, it goes to the other side of it. And then C, this angle here is 126.54 degrees. That's angle A. And that's the other possibility that we mentioned. That comes out of the algebra. So it all takes care of itself, but we need to be mindful that this is called the ambiguous case. So look out for that. And that's something that can happen. Now the other angles we could work out. We could get the other sides, couldn't we? And we need to do that. We could work out all the information here using the sine rule as well. I'm not going to do that now. Refer to the notes if you need to look at that. Look at how to solve this triangle fully and get the other angles here and here. Here you'd use the sine rule, get angle C, and then you could find out angle B, couldn't you, after. because they all add up to 180.